No baling going on right now. Into the next day here. Got some rain last night. Now we're gonna fix fans. Yeah, I'm gonna get this fan fixed. This is one of them that's all broken. So we'll get that motor pulled off of there and get the new one hung up. Got my nice working platform here. Dad's working hard in there. One bad thing about having a door on the skid steer, you're always stuck in there. But I got Nate to hand me tools. Look at that. Zip this one off and get the other one put on. Shouldn't take too long. There, got that fan pulled off of there. Should be done here in no time. Got the other one in the back of the Kubota. Just gotta wait for them sprinklers to be done running because I don't want to get soaking. But I feel pretty good. It's like 90 something degrees or whatever, so maybe not quite 90 yet. It's maybe only like 85. But gotta keep these cows cool. Cool cows produce more milk. Nate's trying to hurt himself. You know you're not very agile. He didn't quite get the athleticism like I got.
I'm fine.
Yeah, for now. New magnet's tough. There, we got that hung up there. Just gotta get the motor put on and connect the wires and get a belt on her. Should be good to go. Got the motor on. Gotta connect the wires. I think I got them shut off, so I shouldn't get zapped. Who doesn't like a little 110, 220 once in a while? We got tape. Just give me like 3 zip ties. Yeah, I'll use that. Perfect. I need a couple more. There, just gotta get the belt and the tensioner and she should run. Hope so. Got it angled down nicely for the cows, so it blows right on them.
You got the belt in the Kubota?
Belt's not in the shed yet. So, yeah, we'll get that. See if we can get this one done. And there's still one more on the other side of this guy. We gotta do the same thing too. Gotta pull the motor off of this fan. Watch out, cows! Come get these out of the way. It's almost like I got a drone in here. Oh, now we're going down. Get. No, other way. There you go. There you go, Smarty. There. That'll be good. Yeah, that's good. Need my tools. Just the impact. Yep. Pop this motor off. Fired them up and this one didn't work. Black wire had come undone. It just came right off the spade, so just slid that back on. She's good to go. Man, we got a fan. Just keep the cows a little more comfortable. Breeze is moving through here pretty good today, so that's always nice. Well, that don't look right. Wind must have caught it at some point, so Dad's coming with the payloader. Oh, and he left the corn sauce in the bucket. Great. He's coming with the payloader. He's gonna hoist me up there. We're gonna get that tacked down so it doesn't get any worse, and then I'll have to get another sheet and get it put on there. Up we go. Yep. Get this screwed down in no time. Yep, you're good. We're good. There. Got some nice green screws in there so that people can see we redid it. Not that you can really see that from the ground, but oh, we didn't get another fan fixed yet. I guess that'll be a tomorrow project. My plan was just to feed calves and be done for the night, but got a new one to take care of. That pulled out of the stall. But our hired help said that a cow calved, but they didn't get her number written down, and the cow didn't have much for milk. So waiting for milk to warm up, and now I'm trying to figure out who had the calf so that we're not, so that we can figure out, so that we know who had it. So we're not guessing who the calf is out of. But I'm not really seeing much yet. I mean, she don't have much milk, but I think she calved a while ago. I think she's just 2381. Shows on my calving list. Check the smack stack. It said the 2376, I believe. That's the one that was on the calving alert. But I'm never. Oh, we found her. See that? Kind of a dirty udder. Honey, you were not on the list. 2409. Okay. Well, we solved that mystery. Now we just gotta wait for the milk to warm up and feed the calf. Yeah. At least I'm pretty sure it's her. I guess I'll have to check the board. This one also looks like she doesn't have much, but she definitely looks like she calved today. That right there is pretty obvious because everybody else in here is pretty clean. So, guess we'll go take care of that calf. Night night. The towel should keep her from standing up. Since she's a first time calver, I'm not too worried about her not having milk. She might just be coming in. Maybe a little slow coming into it, but I should keep an eye on her. And not all of our cows have names like that. That one is a special case. My sister's boyfriend's sister, like 6. And she came to the farm when that calf was born and wanted to name a calf, so that calf she named Honey, and we tagged it, so it should be nice. I'm like, oh yeah, you can name one. But it kind of backfired because that cow is now crazy, so I think it's only because she has a name. So I don't know how much longer she'll be around. You know? But we'll see. Beauty of a sunset tonight. Longest day of the year. Got our milk warmed up, and we'll feed that calf. I'll have to show you guys our warming system sometime. I don't think I've shown that yet. Freeze the milk in these bag things inside of a plastic, and then the bags are inside a plastic cartridge, and put them in this little warmer and warms them up. Takes, once the water is warm, the milk thaws in about 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes 20. But I'm gonna feed this little girl, wash that stuff up, and call her a day. So thanks for watching along, and see you on the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe and share it out with your friends or whatever.